learn how to update multiple contacts with the same data values like city, state, or zip. So let's get started. First, you'll want to go to the contacts folder you'll want to be editing the contacts from. Next, instead of the people view, or if you're on any of these other ones, the recommended one is to use the list view. From there, what you'll want to do is make sure that you have the correct column headers for the field data that you want to manipulate. In this case, we are going to use these. If you need to add or remove, by removing, you can simply go into click on the title, drag and drop that until you get the black X, and that removes it. By adding, you right click on the title band, go to Field Chooser, and go ahead and pick out your fields. Now, if you don't see your fields, this is the first one is frequently used fields. There are other selections by address fields, email fields, miscellaneous, etc. So go through these and find out which ones that you particularly want to find. Okay. Then all you have to do is drag and drop them into here like this. Right. Now, you'll see that I have United States and I have a couple that are missing the state in here. So first thing I want to do is right click on the country, or I mean the state band, and say group by this field. So if I want to take these two contacts here and also have California on them, I can simply click once, hold the shift key down or the control key if you want to select other ones like this. Then hold the left mouse button down, drag it into the state field, and now all those have the state. Now if I want to also remove this group band and say group by country, I can then take this contact that doesn't have a country on it and drag and drop it into here. Then I'm ensured that all these have the exact same values with no typos. I can do the same thing now with the city. If I right click and say don't group by this field, and now change it to the city, group by this field, now I have my cities. So Depp Enterprises, I have Lisa Depp right here. I can drag this into Hollywood, and that's also named now Hollywood. Pitt International, here's another one. I can drag this in here. Now I can also add in like items from Delicious Lambs, and they're out of Los Angeles also. And as you can see, it adds in the city. It does not affect the state or the country because that's not what we're grouped on right now. Now, if you wanted to mark a large amount of contacts private, you could also right click on private, say group by this. If one of these are now marked private, anything that I drag and drop into here by holding shift key into the bright field, they all become private. I can also click one, hold the control key down, and pick these and drag it down. There's another video that goes through marking contacts private, but this is using the group by headers to do it in mass. Thank you.